here are basically few features are there for super user, which you guys don't need to know right now, because only tier 5 is the super user access that tier 5 is having. No one else is having this access. So now for the CEO accounts and the partner account, there are like major changes happen. And one by one, I'm actually giving you the view how actually what happened over there. Like this first option, that all listing view optimized. So here I'm logged in as our CEO account, and under that, if you have watched earlier or if you have noticed, means checked earlier that these views were like so delayed and it was like so slow earlier. Let me quick reload this because the server was down a few minutes ago. Now earlier it was like so slow, and now it is coming like so fast. At least not like in a fraction of second, but at least not like, after 30 seconds or 40 seconds of waiting time, it is coming. And even as I'm on Zoom right now, so few datas are coming late. Otherwise, this is actually fine. I mean, this is faster now, right? So that is one view that they have modified the speed of the views. Then all listing export CSV data has refactored. So that is basically when we are exporting these informations. That point of time, basically a few data was required earlier. So those, like if you are a CEO, if you go for extension users and if you try to export, then you will actually get that option that what are the data got changed. I'm not actually gonna show you right now. Next is all listing search optimized. So earlier this search, like if I have searched anything, it actually never came in. But right now, as you can see, the search actually is working like so very much fast. Next, add partner new design and new flow assigned. And then also while creating the partner, we are providing more insight to CEO about their balance for each white label overridden and global balance. So that means now add partner option, this option is actually got changed, where I can easily, these options were there already. Only this global partner balance was unlimited and this global user balance is unlimited. Now, each and every individual of these, means extensions, you can assign directly all of them to a particular partner, and you can select that which level of plan you want to give, and if they are going to get unlimited balance or not, or there is like any specific balance that you want them to give, and then you can click on add all and it will automatically add this partner with the specified balance, right? Now, if you also have seen that here you can select one by one even, and then you can assign a specific balance or you can directly make it unlimited. So they will get a specific end user balance, right? And now this partner balance is showing that is something like for this partner, like CEO, what, how many number of partner that they can actually create. And that is actually showing, right? But you can only assign the end user balance to a partner while you are creating that. So this portion they have changed fully. Next, partner listing manage extension is now has a new design and flow with couple of new features: assign all, suspend all, and unsuspend all, or individual suspend and unsuspend extensions, right? So how you can see that, like directly you can go to partners as a CEO, and basically there you will get one quick option as manage extensions, and you can see like here the whole design got changed where assign all, suspend all, unsuspend all, and then every of these other balance that you can actually change, and you can also assign that which plan they will be on, and you can click on add. So this design totally got changed, and the flow also, and new features came in. Next is Stripe automation for end users, minor changes. Now, if you are already using Stripe automation, then you know about it, and you will actually not be seeing immediate change for this. But this Stripe automation for partners has been introduced. So from partner accounts also, they can add their own Stripe accounts. Now multiple subscription for Kyubi webhooks to Stripe has been prevented. So this is also related to Stripe. And earlier there was like, if any user was having multiple subscription, then the webhook was creating some issues. So we totally prevented that. Now this one, reset password for partner, has been introduced. So reset partner for partners, like here earlier there was no option for us to reset the password to default. We actually had to ask the developers to manually do that. Right now we have introduced that quick feature where you can just click and then automatically the password will be default, which is 123456, right? Then reset password for end user has been introduced. So same thing for end users also got introduced, where I can just go for any end users and you'll be able to see that reset password option came in, by which now CEO can directly reset the password for the end user. And also reset devices. It was there earlier where, if the auth 2 was enabled, that means you can use maximum 5 devices, and at a single time you can use only one device logged in. So that feature is there, and we actually renamed it with reset devices, right? So if any end user is asking you that, okay, hey, I can't log in because it is saying that please log out from other devices or maximum device reached. So that point of time, you need to click on this option to reset their number of devices. And if someone said that, okay, I can't remember my password, so please reset my password, you can quickly click on this reset password and the password will be reset to default, right? Now, text change in extension listing from manifest version to extension version. So what happened earlier, there was a confusion for these extensions where earlier, like suppose for friend connector only, if I click on update extension, then you will be able to see that this particular version, it was written as manifest version, but it should be extension version so that it can give us a clear view. So they change this particular text. Now the next one, reset login name, is now changed to reset devices, which I already have shown to you guys. Now new API settings, designs and flow. So this is the vital one. If you guys are already using this Kyubi platform and you already have created any automations, then make sure that you are following a new structure where, means you can assign now, while you are actually, now this is add partner, right, to Kyubi platform from a CEO account. So while you are doing that to a partner, you can assign multiple extensions, right? So earlier what we had to do, we had to create, like while we were creating automation through Zapier or any other platform, we had to create multiple actions, like multiple API call we had to do to, assign multiple extensions to a single partner. So right now you don't have to do that, because under this CEO API settings page, you will be able to see all of these, new webhooks, where for these ad partners, you can select that which are the extensions that you want to give access to this partner. Also, you can directly click on assign all, and you'll be able to see that all of the extensions will be assigned to them. So first I need to clear this out. And now if I click on assign to all, then it should have changed, but maybe a little bit bug is there. So we need to recheck. But if I click on assign all, then extension tokens are not getting added. Oh, so that will be automatically added, I believe. But if you see, like there is a small glitch, I'll speak with the developers so that you see here all these extension tokens are getting added one by one. So that only will happen when we'll click on assign all, and that only should have happened, but it is not happening right now. So as that is not happening, so I'm showing you in this way only, that if you are selecting these many, means while you are creating your offer, which if you know, like if you're already using it, you know that so basically now here you will be able to see all of these extensions at the same time, and you can pass it as an array through your automation. Then what will happen, you don't have to create multiple steps in Zapier to means add individual extensions to that particular partner. Also, there is a small change like this one, is balance unlimited, which is false. And that is false because this balance is showing as 100. So if I check on this, then you will see this balance got as 0, and this particular value got changed as true. So when you are giving any access to a partner with unlimited balance, that point of time, make sure that this field you are adding in your automation and making this value as true. And this balance can go with any value or 0, it doesn't matter. Now this plan level also, you can see immediately it will change as soon as I'll change the plan level from here, right? So this email, like the token is same, you have to use that. Earlier there was a extension token single parameter. Now we have basically multiple option that you can use through one API call only, and all of these extensions will be assigned to the partner that you are just trying to create. So that's a very good process that we just introduced, and it's basically time saving for all of us. And also it is means removing a lot of actions for your automation. So this is the good change that you should update with your automations if you already have one. Now new add partner external API with assign all or multiple extension assign feature, optimized extension details listing. So these I already have shown. Visit to Chrome store link now supports any type of link. Actually it should be any type of link, which means what, earlier even that is like something means sometimes what happens, you are creating some extension and you don't want to submit that to the Chrome store. So you can earlier what used to happen, this add link option used to give you only option to add link from Chrome store. There was a validation that other than Chrome store link you can't add any other link. But right now you can have that zip under any Google Drive, or even we have the Linkwizard platform, so you can use a file link and you can upload your file over there, and you can just use that file link and save. Now as a CEO, if you're adding this, all of your partners will be able to see that link, and if they copy that link, then they will be able to copy that. Means there is no restriction that you have to give the Chrome store link, right? So this text also we will change in our upcoming version, as this is a very minor change, so we haven't done that right now. Now the balance calculation, global and white level is segregated. So as a CEO, as you know that from super admin we can assign, I mean you should not know or you won't know, from like while we are creating CEO, we can assign that how many extensions that they can create, how many users that they can get, right? Now for this platform itself, now as a CEO you will be able to see that how many balances are there, and for global and for means white level versions of your softwares like separately, and you will be able to see, like right now we don't have any immediate white, other than white level we don't have any other extension in this platform for our CEO account, so that's why I can't show you. But if you try this create extension option and if you create your own extension, you will be able to see that. So these are the features that came in in CEO account. Now for partners, all listing optimized, so the speed is now better. All search optimized, so the earlier there was a search issue while we used to search through the partners platform. And the new API setting design flow. So obviously the same kind of API settings design actually got updated, where they will be able to see add or update user, suspend user, unsuspend user, and delete user options. And there, this add and update one, you can see the extension token, this particular option actually, that if you want to create an extension user for a specific extension, then you will be able to see the code immediately. So this was there earlier and this is the same only, there is no change in that. Only thing which I'm seeing is like there are two things missing here. Basically one is the plan, that when I'm creating any user, if I want to assign them some plan. That value is not showing up in here, but it is there. It is same the way it was earlier, only they need to change this UI. And also we'll be introducing multiple options so that when you are creating any extension user, you can select also multiple and you can directly create extension user for all the extensions that you want by using only one API webhook, right? So these two changes will happen in the next week version that will be launching very soon. So other than that, there is no quick change for you to know. These are the things. So if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, so how you can check which one use auth to, right? So look, what you can do is like if you have the CEO account, then you will be able to see the white-label versions that are added to your account, right? And here you will see this activate auth to module. So this is basically like if you are a partner, if you are having a partner account, then you will be able to see this option that enable or disable directly from the extension details page, right? So from there you will be able to see. But anyways, like even if it is enabled or disabled, it doesn't matter because it only matters to the extension users, right? So hey Gilbert, hey John. So you'll be able to see that if it is activated or not by visiting the extension details page. So if CEO is activating that, then you will be able to see this green bar over there, enable. And if it is disabled, then you will be able to see like this. Let me see if I have a partner account with me or not. Yeah, so this is the partner account that I have to give you a quick demo. So here are the extensions that are assigned to this partner account. You see this information new right now came in where you can actually add your own Stripe accounts and details so that you can manage your Stripe subscriptions and what is going on each and every of those logs in here. Now if I go and visit any extension like suppose Post Profits Pro, so now as that is disabled, so no options are actually showing up here. But if it is enabled, then you will be able to see the auth2 version actually is enabled in here under this extension details page. Okay, so anyone has any other question or queries regarding these new changes or any of these platform? And if you still don't have access to Kyubi platform, that means you still don't own any extension. That means you still don't have any software business. And if you would like to be one businessman with these softwares and manage these or use this, you can easily connect with me and I can give you a quick demo how you can do that. I mean, how you can do that and everything, right? So that's all everyone. So Alok said, can we get an API call for the extension download link, which we can automate to send the link? So I'm actually not getting your point. Like suppose if I'm visiting CEO account and you are saying that if there is any API call for the extension download link. So extension download link means this one, and that you want to automate to send that link to someone. Okay, so now you are asking that if under this API settings, if we can have one API to get the particular extension download link, right? Yeah, that's actually true what John said, because you might will have a lot of extensions, right? And it is easy to grab that from this particular CEO account, or by clicking on this small copy link, and you can have your automations anyways. Like these links are not going to change for you, right? So you can just copy them, and while you are creating any partner and you want them to directly give, go to that link and download that, you can just copy this link and you can add them into your that automation where the email that you are sending, where you are sending all the account access and details and everything. There you can just paste that link so that they will be able to get that in their email, which anyways we are also doing. So that is anyways easy rather than calling an API to get that link, because that link is not going to change again and again. But I'm liking this platform more right now. Yeah, look, no issues, no issues at all. You can go to sleep, take rest. So for now, I'm done, guys. Hopefully, you guys liked the latest version of QB. And while using it, if you face any issues or means any other modifications that you want us to do, or if you feel like that is valuable for this platform, please let us know, and we'd like to discuss on it and move forward from there. Okay. So have fun. Take care. Bye bye.